In this video, we're going to look at how to use the LED lights on this REKA bit expansion board with the microbit. So first, on the MakerCode website, we have to download the extension for the REKA bit. You can search for it and download it pretty easily. And that's going to get us a couple of things. This RGB LED here is how we can kind of control the LEDs on the front. So if I, for example, set all to red and I download that, and on start it's going to set our LEDs to shine red. But we can do a little bit more. You can play around with this. We've obviously got a brightness that we could turn up. We could put in maybe a pause, and then maybe we want to actually put this on a forever loop instead. So we'll leave the brightness over here, but we'll have the LEDs be red, and then a pause, and then maybe we'll make them blue. Oh, see, I really should have put a pause after the blue as well, because they're not staying blue for very long. So let's put a pause in after the blue. Let's make them both half a second. There you go. We've got blue and red lights. So that works quite nicely. That's the basic functionality of using the LEDs on the front of the REK expansion board.